This is Michael with the Vision Experience, and in this video we're going to talk about the preamp and the audio mixing with our new Pro HD 3D audio video workstation. Now we have the video and the audio running through two separate paths with this audio video workstation. So on the preamp here, as we've talked about in previous videos, you've got four selectors here on the switch. You've got Blu-ray 1 and Blu-ray 2 that are installed into the system. You also have Audio 1 and Audio 2, and those are from the two pre-wired inputs on the side of the case here. Audio 1 is just a regular line-in stereo RCA input that you can take from your outside devices. Audio 2 is also an RCA stereo input, but it's a phono input. So that would work obviously for a turntable, but sometimes people have outside devices that have a very low, weak audio signal coming out of it, and you could go through the phono from that, and that might be enough to bump that up and give you a good image. If you took a regular line input through the phono, it would sound very, very distorted, as you may know or will see one day. So the other thing about the audio coming from outside devices is because this takes so many outside devices, if you had 3 or 4 or 5 outside devices here and you're plugging all of them into the different video inputs and they all had audio, well, we have one audio stereo input going through our preamp, and what you would do is submix. You can get a audio switcher for under $20, and you would just plug all your devices into that little mini mixer, and the output goes into there, and you just would select that way. We've got more information about that in our manuals and other videos. Now back to the mixer here. So then you've got Blu-ray 1, Blu-ray 2, Audio 1, and Audio 2 all corresponding with the connections there. Now the output is all going through two pre-wired outputs. You've got two XLR outputs here and two RCA outputs. Both of these are the main audio outputs, so you can send the RCA to your speakers or your main outs, and then the RCAs you could use at the same time. Perhaps you have an FM transmitter or something like that, and it gives you that capability as well. For the audio with the microphones, they're all built into this preamp. You've got your mic level right here, and we talk about this in another video, but this gives you a separate volume control, separate from the main volume here that controls all of your devices, so that way you can mix your sound over your movie or whatever independently, which is a really, really great feature. So the audio connections on our workstation are easy and simple to operate and use, and it's another great feature of our new Pro HD 3D audio video workstation.